Hi everyone, my name is CJ and you are watching CJfied. Today we're going to play one of my favorite games. The title of this one is My Dear Farm. I've been playing this game since I think not last year. I think that was 2022. But I was not very consistent with it. Although I've already reached the max level. But just few days ago, I started playing it consistently, and I mean on a daily basis, like just after I woke up and before I sleep, I play this game. So I thought it would be nice to share this with you because it's one of those relaxing stuff that I would do to, keep me sane from the corporate world and from all the stress of what's going on in my life and in the world. Anyway, so much trauma dumping. Today we're going to just harvest coins, tweak the weather, which is what I'm doing right now, as you can see. And then we're going to decorate my garden, and we're also going to buy a few items from the shop. Right now, I'm just collecting the coins from the rain shower. Now I'm just putting all of the items back in the bag just to prepare them for the decoration or the renovation. This was a little bit heartbreaking for me, to be honest. I've spent a lot of time building this, decorating this, and now I'm destroying everything. So this was really painful. But yeah, it's time for a change. It's been years, and also everything was so disorganized, as you can see.